Thank you for buying this white noise sleeping aid 15035 from Fixture Displays. You can find this product on fixturedisplays.com by searching 15035. If you have any questions, email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. That's charliesam@fixturedisplays.com. It comes with a Android charging cable that works on any USB device. This is the volume button, and the timer would turn it off after 15 minutes if you hit it once, or 30 minutes twice, and 60 minutes 3 times. The product dimension is about 5 inches diameter and 2 inches thick. It requires 4 batteries. The batteries are not included. We also sell batteries. You can search our website AA batteries, and that should give you some rechargeable battery options. Now in the back of the unit there are 2 jacks. One is for your headphone, the other is the USB charging cable. Now these buttons allow you to select between different sound effects, from ocean to thunder, soothing music, white noise, wind, brook, summer night, rainfall, and bird chirpings. The volume dial allows you to set the volume low or high. If you like our product, you can really use a good review. If you have any questions, please email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. Once again, we want to thank you for shopping Fixture Displays.